Greetings webmasters, welcome to the Black Friday / Cyber Monday deal from Envato Market. I'm actually at the ThemeForest marketplace. You can save up to 60%, currently going on right now and will end around Cyber Monday. So don't miss out on these offers. Here are some of the biggest sales. The Avada WordPress theme. I actually use this right here. Over 750,000 sales. Currently on sale right now, $39. Original price $60. So you're saving about 35%. Let's scroll down and see what else we got here. Flatsum. I also use this right here for WooCommerce. One of the best themes ever as well. Big fan. It works for WooCommerce and just a regular WordPress theme. Almost a perfect 5-star rating. It is well deserved. Highly recommended. You're getting almost about 45% off right here. If you run a WooCommerce website, be sure to check out Flatsum and more great deals for others. And here we go, Rehub, another very popular and also one of my favorite themes. Rehub has several different themes and it is also one of my top favorite themes. You can use it for creating marketplace, review site, comparison sites, magazine sites. It has everything and it is very beautiful, especially for comparison sites and review sites. Highly recommend it. Check it out. Currently 50% off, and currently there's over 1,000 themes during Cyber Week sale. The cheapest premium themes are going for $4. You can see here these are some newer ones and some established ones. Themes for everything from product launching, landing pages, e-commerce, WordPress, HTML themes. They got everything here. For a limited time only, go check them out before these deals run out. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing deals. Thanks again and happy shopping.